the source code. Yeah, and then just pray. Yeah,
Cool, so I built Mutiny Wallet. Just kidding. But I built some features in there. I'm not going to tell you what they are until after I show them, but it's pretty cool. So this is Mutiny Wallet, if you haven't seen it before, Lightning node in the browser. So we're going to start off with a receive. We'll get 100 sats. Create an invoice. We want just the Lightning invoice. And we'll pay it from our awesome MutiNet faucet. It's paid, should show up here soon. There we go, payment received.
Nice.
So that seems pretty normal, but I actually just lied to you. That was a Fedimint transaction. So we're doing Fedimint inside of Mutiny, and we can also send to one as well. So just to prove I can. Should show up here first, I think. So this is Fedimint's fault, not mine, but yeah, it paid here, and it should pay here soon. I don't think I got the screen to actually move correctly yet, but you see my balance went down by 10 sats, and I lost 10 sats here. So yeah, I added Fedimint to Mutiny Wallet, so I'm calling it Mutimint, because that's what they always try to name it. So kind of the reason I did this is because if you use Mutiny before, your first time loading up, you get this message saying your first Lightning receive needs to be 50K sats or greater, because you have to get this on-chain Lightning transaction to open the channel. But that's kind of a terrible onboarding for a lot of people, because they just want to receive a zap on Nostr or something, or get like $5, not $30, and that can suck. So Mutimint fixes this, where we can receive into this custodial Fedimint and not have to deal with all these channels and stuff in the meantime. And then once we have enough to actually open that channel, we'll actually do that. So yeah, that's kind of why. And what I think is really powerful about this is you can kind of do this progressive enhancement in a wallet. Like today, the user's going to have to start in Satoshi or something, and then one day they'll upgrade to Mutiny, but now they have a whole new UI, whole new everything, and it's not the best experience. With this, they could always use the same wallet for everything, and really not have to be uncomfortable and move around and have to do all these payments and stuff just to move to a new Lightning wallet. And it's cool as fuck, so why not? But there are some challenges. Luckily, Fedimint is all in Rust, so I could just import it, but if you ever used Rust before, there's dependency hell all the time. And that's what I was in, versus like using standard library versus no standard library. I had to fork a bunch of repos to get it to work, but we did it. And like, as well, if you know the Fedimint team, they're total Rust gigachads, and I am not. So like they're doing like, for Mutiny, like when we check an invoice status, we say, is it paid or not, versus Fedimint's like, here's this async stream of all the different events that happen inside of your invoice, and it's way too complicated, but I figured it out, and it also broke some stuff in Mutiny I got to fix for like, you can't upgrade a wallet to this yet, you can only create new wallets, but not a huge deal, but yeah, that's what I did. That was pretty cool, I think.
So are you going to be maintaining these forks and everything? Like, is this an actual long term?
This is a long-term plan. Like the forks are now PRs into Fedimint and into LDK. So Macron was like, "Why are you doing this?" So I'm gonna have to lobby to get it merged. But they're like actually good PRs and stuff. But yeah. So we would long-term really want to do this. I was joking to Justin. I'm like, I'm gonna launch Fedimint before you do. So maybe we will. I don't know. But yeah, it'd be great. Yeah, definitely actually want to maintain this in long term.
I missed the part where the wallet also supports eCash.
It is using eCash in the background. So these Lightning payments are like, I'm not gonna hold it, it's gonna crash my computer. But like all these Lightning, I can't click on it either. But yeah, So like the way in Fedimint that the payments work is the invoice is, you really just create a pre-image, and then the pre-image is given, or the payment hash is given to a Lightning gateway, and that Lightning gateway is eCash. So I can actually go here, go to, let me take this.
I guess what I'm wondering is there any idea where, I know eCash is being used in the background, obviously. I'm just wondering, is there any idea where Mutiny would show any of that eCash balance or anything, or it's so abstracted away?
Yeah, the idea is like it's just Lightning. Like we just have our nice hats here, and it's like, you know, they don't need to know about the implementation details. It just works kind of.
And this is from the point of view of a user or a gateway provider?
This is a user. The gateway.
Okay. Got it.
It's not. Oh, it's.
So who is it? I know you're doing like two things at once. Who is acting as the gateway in this situation?
It's just, so like right now, the way our Fedi wallet works is like it can be any LND or C Lightning node.
But in this case, who is it?
It's just a node I have running on the server.
Okay, so you're acting as the user and the gateways for this demo.
Yeah, so
Okay, I got it.
yes, or during the builder day, Cody helped me set up my own federation and my own gateway on MutinyNet. So running that like on a server in the cloud, and then I use that.
So you had to set up you had to set up some infrastructure for this demo.
I'm paying cloud bills.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so when you're joking about like, I'm gonna launch Fedimint before you, I mean, you have all the infrastructure to get there. You just need like a spicy domain name now.
I just need
something
to like do it on me and not go to jail. That's like
Okay, hey, thanks. Oh, yeah, okay.
Thank you.